we have the iWALK Link Me 10,000 power bank. Now this is the world's smallest 9,000 milliamp hour power bank. Now the beauty of this power bank is you have a built-in lightning cable and it supports fast charging. So it's capable of charging your iPhone 10 to 40% in just 30 minutes. So typically you should be able to fully charge your iPhone 10 at least twice with this power bank. Now the power bank itself is made from a rubberized texture. You've got an LED light at the bottom. You've got a button on the side which will tell you how much battery power you have left. And you've got a USB Type-C port so you can actually fast charge the actual power bank as well. So for the price you are getting the smallest and lightest 9,000 milliamp hour power bank. And if you compare it just to my phone, you can see that it's very small in size. I'm definitely going to be traveling with this product. So that's the iWALK Link Me 10,000 power bank.